So my awesome friend in Gouda has sent me this parcel of awesome goodies from the Netherlands. And it's got a cool sticker on it as well, and little hearts, and it's pink. How awesome is this? So I thought I would do a video to unbox it so you can see some awesome vegan goodies from Holland. Let's get opening. So first off, we've got a wee card in there which is covered in cool animals. It's just a note from Mars, which is always nice. That's a really cool card. What else have we got in there? Oh, a tote bag. I absolutely love tote bags. I have hundreds of them and I can never have enough, and they're awesome. But how cool is this little mermaid one, or merman one, merpeople one? Yeah, tote bag. What else have we got in here? Oh, this is like a little notebook. I love all these kind of kawaii Japanese style things, so I'll be putting my recipes for work in there so I can carry it with me. These are some like sour gummy sweet sheet things. You'll see more about that in a minute. Some chili seeds. I love my spicy food, so being able to grow my own chilies and make my own chili sauce would be really cool. I'll come back to these as well. These are something that Leo absolutely loves. We've got some chocolate, mint chocolate. Again, another favourite of mine. Like, she's done really well with this. Dark chocolate. Love dark chocolate. Vigo bar. Who doesn't love a Vigo bar? Haven't had one in ages, actually. Like, we're talking like over a year, so looking forward to that one. Some orange chocolate sweets. And we've also got some like caramel biscuit sandwich things, which again, I will come back to in a minute. So we're going to open up some of the more unusual ones, or rather the ones that we haven't tried yet, and give them a go. So first of all, we've got these sour power like strip things. I actually really miss gummy sweets. I used to love them.
I do and I don't. Uh-oh. Okay, I now know I missed those.
Okay, I'll give you a red one.
Huh.
I also like love sour stuff.
Oh my god. When are we going back to Amsterdam? Or Holland, or just...
Wow. These are lovely. Yeah. They're like, ooh, super sour strips. That's what we're not sure. Like, yeah. Like fizzy laces and things like that. There you go.
Oh.
I do.
Oh, that was really nice.
Bit run up. But that's what I like about sour things. Like, you get some sour things like lemon, and you're like, oh, tastes a bit like lemon, but it's that kind of like sour that I absolutely love. So, yes, which will go great. These, so you know, Lotus biscuits or your Speculoos biscuits. These are like little kibble versions that you're supposed to put on toast, except someone
That'd be me.
brought like 4 of these back from Amsterdam. I did say to Mars some of these, because like you just go through them. You just open them and tip them in your face. These were like dubbed Leo kibble, much like Gigi has his kibble, Leo kibble. So let me show you what they're like. You don't need to try these.
Great.
So they're like...
You've already established that they're my crack, and then you're like, yeah, you need to try these.
Get them everywhere. There you go, have some kibble.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're just like little bits of Speculoos biscuit.
Yeah.
Which are awesome. I think this time we should try them on bread or toast, because
Okay.
that is what you're supposed to do with them. So you're supposed to put like a thick layer of butter, sprinkle them on top. They're just as good as I remember them.
Very much so.
Right, let's go for a different one again. So these are chocolate oranges. So. They look like little segments covered in chocolate. Let's see what's inside. It's like gummy orange inside. Hang on.
Ooh. Ooh.
Damn, they're nice.
That's like the crystallized, like you say, like a crystallized fruit, but just covered in chocolate.
Yeah. So they're amazing. I've got those. And the last one we're going to open today is these ones. They are crispy biscuits with caramel filling from Holland. From Holland, as it says. It's even got a picture of the place on the back. Ah, it's from Gouda, which is where my friend is from. That's even cooler. So we've got like special Gouda vegan biscuits, which is just all kinds of awesome. So
A Gouda specialty.
let's get this open. Those are the biscuits inside. There you go. So you got your two little sandwiches there.
Oh, that looks good. Thank you. Almost shortbread.
It's like a buttery shortbread, and the caramel inside's like, it's not like gooey, it's that kind of like toffee filling.
I'm not saying that we're going to tan those with cups
I'm
of tea.
going to hide them.
Dumping them into tea, because I think that'd be really nice.
That would be.
I'm also not saying I'm totally going to be hitting up the internet to go, right, where can I get these?
So we're going back to Amsterdam soon then.
Yes.
Cool.
Oh no, what a tragedy. This time with hold luggage.
Well, there you go. That is the box that my friend kindly sent me with all this cool stuff, and even a box that Gigi can enjoy, which he's been rustling around in the background. So yeah, thank you for watching, and you know, don't forget to subscribe and all of that rubbish, and yeah, thanks for watching.